All right, so today's tip, life-changing. Maybe not life-changing, but if you constantly find yourself doing the make a copy of like a document that you're using as a template, maybe it's for a project thing or an issue paper or a case study or something like that. If you're constantly doing the make a copy, I'm going to show you a quick workflow that will make your life super simple in this regard. So here I've got a document that I use a lot when people approach me in the hallway or they give me a call, we're in a meeting, and I need to start a new project. It's just a basic document that I use for everything. So I use this a lot. Where we can make this easier is I'm in the document and you can see I've got the string up at the top there and it says /edit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the end of that. I'm going to erase the edit and I'm going to go to the last kind of / there and I'm going to write copy. Okay, so what does that do? So if I grab that URL that has the / copy where I've replaced the edit, I can go in, and if I do that, it allows automatically to just divert to the make a copy screen, right? So now what we do is we can go into bookmarks and we can add a page. And in this case, I'm going to select the URL and I'm going to replace it with the string that has the / copy. And I'm just going to call it, project template. I'm going to take off the Google Docs there and I'm going to click save. And you can see that it added it right here to my bookmarks up at the top. So now if I open up a new tab and let's say somebody comes up and I need to start a new project template, I go right up to the button, takes me directly to the copy document, make a copy, that automatically creates it in the My Drive and I can just start typing. So super simple, really quick workflow. Hope that helps. All right, later.